Okay, dolls, so we are just gonna jump right in it. Today I am sharing some very interesting items because I am here to make sure you are going to look good, you're going to smell good, and you're going to feel good. All in that order. I did partner first with Dossier. Dossier is not new to this channel. I have been working with them for over a while now, and y'all, the reason is because I really do love it. So a couple of videos back, I did share with you guys that I got married, and it was really important to me for us to find our scents so that we have a new memory unlocked with a new scent. I decided on something expensive and bougie for myself and my wife. I just feel like it's a really good time to splurge whenever you're getting married, but in my everyday life after that, I don't always want to use my expensive perfume. Here comes my love for Dossier. I'll give you guys a perfect real life example. This is the scent that we chose for my wife. This is by Creed. I'm not even gonna spray it right now because I already know what it smells like. I love this scent so much. This is the wedding scent for my wife. This bottle is upward of almost $400, if not that. I really can't remember, but it's expensive. So as you can see, the bottle is halfway gone, and that's with moderate use. So what I did, I went on Dossier, and I found the dupe. The dupe right here is called Musky OAKMOSS. It has these top notes of apple, pineapple, bergamot, middle notes of rose, birch leaf, patchouli, and base notes, which is my favorite, of musk, OAKMOSS, and amber. The reason why I am sharing this as a gift option for you dolls is because they always have really good deals, especially if you buy in bundles like 2 or 3. I will put the discounts and everything I can find for you guys down below, but I really want y'all to give Dossier a try because we love it. So this is the second bottle that my wife has had, and as you can see, she just got this, but she uses this all the time, and we don't care. I will spray this anywhere because you can get bottles as low as $39. Just don't care. She can spray this as much as she wants. It smells almost identical. I think the biggest difference for me is with the actual bottle. It is really, really long lasting. This one doesn't seem to last as long, but it does smell just like it. In fact, whenever she puts it on and she's walking around the house and I'm out and about with her, I'm just like, ooh, baby, you smell delicious. Like, this is absolutely a must for her to smell good, and also I believe it's a great gift for you to give anyone else. You can find bottles as low as $29 up to $59. It just depends on which bottle you get because they are making these fragrances with really fine ingredients, and some of these ingredients are rare and hard to get. Either way, you're saving a ton of money. 50 milliliters, and this bottle is also 50 milliliters. This bottle is upward of like $350, maybe $400. This one is not. I urge you to go ahead and check out Dossier if you have someone to purchase for the holiday season. Their website is pretty easy to use. If you aren't even sure on what scent to buy her, it's okay. There is a quiz you can take. It will kind of give you suggestions. You can see other people's reviews. All in all, have the peace of mind that if they don't like your item, don't worry about it. They have a worry-free guarantee where they can actually exchange or return your purchase. So go crazy. Scent I want to share with you guys really quick is this one. As you can see, I'm basically almost done. This is also my second bottle. This is called AMBERY Saffron, and I wish you guys can smell this. It is so pretty. This is of saffron and orange blossom, middle notes of jasmine and plum and cedarwood. I love anything fruity and like woodsy. And then it has those base notes also of OAKMOSS, firm balsam, and amber. So this one right here, I'm gonna spray it. I'm being a little less with spraying this one because I love this one so much. This is a dupe for the Baccarat Rouge, the MFK, okay? So the Maison Francis Kurkdjian. I'm not exactly sure how to pronounce it, but y'all, this is the scent that has all the girls on TikTok, on Instagram going crazy, and because it smells really good. I think it's the almond, it's like a bitter almond. It really does last all day, all night. Again, this is #1 on my gift guide for her. Make sure you get them that fragrance so they can smell good all the time without worrying about spending a lot of money. And again, I will find any codes or deals that I can find for the holidays and link them down below. So now that we got everyone smelling good, how about we go ahead and work on looking good? Let's talk.